Surah AL Naziat. Those who extract this surah is Meccan, containing 2 sections and 46 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والنازعات غرقا.
By those who extract with force.
والناشطات نشطا.
And by those who untie the knot gently.
والسابحات سبحا.
And by those who swim with ease.
فالسابقات سبقا.
Then by those who advance.
فالمدبرات أمرا.
Then by those who govern matters, i.e., O disbelievers, the day of judgment shall take place.
يوم ترجف الراجفة.
The day when the blast will quake the creation.
تتبعها الرادفة.
That which comes after will follow it.
قلوب يومئذ واجفة.
On that day, hearts will be terrified.
أبصارها خاشعة.
And their eyes will be downcast.
يقولون أئنا لمردودون في الحافرة.
They, the disbelievers, say, will we really be restored to our original state?
أئذا كنا عظاما نخرة.
At that time when we become crumbling bones?
قالوا تلك إذا كرة خاسرة.
They said, then this return is a mere loss.
فإنما هي زجرة واحدة.
So it, i.e., the second blow, is but a reprimand.
فإذا هم بالساهرة.
So suddenly they will be in open plain.
هل أتاك حديث موسى.
Did the news of Musa come to you?
إذ ناداه ربه بالواد المقدس طوى.
When he called upon his Lord in the sacred valley of Tuwa.
اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى.
Go to Pharaoh, indeed he has transgressed.
فقل هل لك إلى أن تزكى.
So say to him, do you have any desire to attain purity?
وأهديك إلى ربك فتخشى.
And that I may guide you towards your Lord so you fear him?
فأراه الآية الكبرى.
Then he, Musa, showed him a great sign.
فكذب وعصى.
So he denied and disobeyed.
ثم أدبر يسعى.
Then he turned his back in haste.
فحشر فنادى.
So he gathered people and called out.
فقال أنا ربكم الأعلى.
Saying, I am your highest Lord.
فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى.
So Allah seized him with the punishment of this world and the hereafter.
إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى.
Indeed, in this there is a lesson for one who fears Allah.
أأنتم أشد خلقا أم السماء بناها.
In your opinion, is creating you more difficult than creating the sky? He created it.
رفع سمكها فسواها.
He raised its roof, then made it level.
وأغطش ليلها وأخرج ضحاها.
And he darkened its night and brought forth its light.
والأرض بعد ذلك دحاها.
And after that, he expanded the earth.
أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها.
He brought forth from it its water and its pasture.
والجبال أرساها.
And He firmly embedded the mountains,
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم
beneficial for you and your livestock.
فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى
So when the greatest calamity will come,
يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى
that day man will remember his past endeavors.
وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى
And hell will be revealed to all who see.
فأما من طغى
As for he who transgressed
وآثر الحياة الدنيا
and preferred the life of this world,
فإن الجحيم هي المأوى
certainly hell is the abode.
وأما من خاف مقام ربه ونهى النفس عن الهوى
As for he who feared standing before his Lord and restrained the carnal self from against base desires,
فإن الجنة هي المأوى
indeed paradise is his abode.
يسألونك عن الساعة أيان مرساها
They ask you about the hour that when will it come to pass?
فيما أنت من ذكراها
What is your connection with its mention?
إلى ربك منتهاها
Its limit is with your Lord.
إنما أنت منذر من يخشاها
You are but a warner for the one who fears it.
كأنهم يوم يرونها لم يلبثوا إلا عشية أو ضحاها
The day they see it, it will seem as if they had only lived for an evening or a morning.